Alright, I got a 2015 Honda CR-V and I'm gonna show you how to change the fog lights on them. So basically everything is in it, just a clip and an eyeball. So we're gonna put it back together and I'm gonna show you how to change the other side. So what you wanna do, let's go like this way. Just like that. Has a screwdriver. This little screw inside here. Let's put the little screwdriver in there. There you go. This only has clips all around it. And then all you want to do is you want to put the bottom first. Make sure it goes in it. Breaking apart. Gotta make sure those clips go inside. There you go. Come to the other side. And then you can pull it a little bit. Stick your hand in it and pull it, but give me a second. Alright, you kind of want to stick this thing right here. You're gonna put them a little bit slowly. And it slowly start coming out. Let's see. Alright, pull it slow. If you can, just go like this a little bit. And then, just want to keep going around. There's a little one here. So you gotta make sure you don't break it. Up. So now I gotta figure out this one right here. There's another clip right here back. you go. Good job. So, get the screw. And put it there. It's a Phillips.